walking the walk, talking the talk. Andy Roddick was playing the world champion match. He's won a couple of Grand Slams, but one of the Grand Slams, what happened was that he is in the final match point and he is on advantage. He serves, right? So if he wins this serve, the match is his. That's the situation. He takes the ball, he serves, and this guy, the umpire says in, and obviously the other opponent didn't pick it up, so Andy Roddick has won the match. So he's won the championship. Everybody's clapping, he's so excited, and like everybody's like, Andy has won the world, he's won the Grand Slam and stuff like that. Andy's not happy. I'm sure everybody's heard of Andy Roddick, right? Andy's not happy. What happened? Andy's saying that I want to dispute what umpire said. There is a correction that needs to be made because I think this was out. Right? Everybody's like, that means you're going to lose the Grand Slam, right? Are you sure you want to dispute? He said, yes. Guess what? Every time now Andy Roddick calls for a contest of the umpires, everybody says yes. He kept his integrity and it was out. Can you become that person who can keep integrity? Does it matter whether it was in or out? It is a question of integrity. That is integrity. Let me talk about intent. How many people have seen, people come and talk to you about their intent, but they don't see anything that it will add value to your life. They will say how they want everything in the world to be so nice, but how does it really, whatever their intent is to do for you, how does it help in your life? What value does that add? Always have care for other people in mind. When people walk around without having concern for care for other people, their intent looks like a hidden agenda. And it's so visible, and you actually have seen these people who walk around with intent, but you can see their hidden agenda, but it's just so hard to call them out. Haven't you done that? Haven't you seen these people? Like that, if you are walking around with that intent, people are watching you. But they're just not calling you out. So we have to be very clear to have that intent. Like we have to have that intent of care for other people. The more you care for other people, the more you will see how your relationships work. Trust will be built. Capability. Capability is a neurosurgeon who's the best neurosurgeon. Everybody wants to trust that neurosurgeon. They want to go to that neurosurgeon. Right? Capability is important. If you need to build your skill to get better, to have that capability, you will do that. Results matter. How do I know you're credible? Based on your accomplishments. Anything that you can validate based on your accomplishments is your result. So let's take an example. You are the hiring manager. All of you are going to go for the hiring sometime now. You're the hiring manager and you say, sir, this is my resume, this is my resume. And two people are having these resumes. One person says, I love sales, I want to do sales jobs. These are my sales records. The other person says, actually I'm coming out of school, but I didn't even do any project that actually I could test my sales skill, but I still like to do your job. Who is the hiring manager going to pick?
Second one.
First one. Results will matter. Results will always matter. So make it easier that you're not ignored. Have the results right up your alley. Relationship trust. Okay, anybody who thinks that they don't care what other people think of themselves, of them, please raise your hands. Like, I don't care what other people think of me. Right. Here's the problem with that. It's a great idea that you don't care other people don't what they think about you, but here's the thing. Unless you have consistency in your behavior, you might be doing something that will constantly break your trust with people. You need to learn in your relationship that you have consistent behavior that actually builds it over time. And you be very careful of the behaviors that can actually destroy trust. So in that situation, you have to be very clear in relationships of the behaviors that build trust and behaviors that deplete trust. And in relationship, it's always a continuous, ongoing thing. But the more there is consistency of behaviors that build trust, you are in the game. Because people will give you opportunities based on the relationships that they have with you.